Welcome students to a quick tutorial on our vocabulary. First of all, you will notice that we do have a vocabulary unit here, or a section. I'm going to go ahead and open up our Chapter 2 vocabulary. And I am in Chrome, so it's going to download into this location here. So I'm going to open that up. If you're not in Chrome, you're going to probably have a different download place. You can ask me or a neighbor, and I'm sure you'll be able to figure out where that downloads to. But here I am, and here are my directions. Complete the following terms using the glossary below. In Quizlet, the set title of your cards is Economic Activity. Once you are complete, you will submit your terms in the drop box, making an active hyperlink to open in a new window. So first of all, I'm going to go ahead and highlight Economic Activity, and I'm going to copy that. I'm then going to go to my Quizlet, and I already have that open here, and let me go ahead and open that up, and I'm going to go ahead and choose Create a Set. And there's my title right there, and I'm going to paste that in there. Economic Activity. I don't need a description. I am going to want to keep this visible to everyone, and editors just me. Go ahead and keep that. And I'm also going to ask you guys to quick switch your language to English. Now, if you want to choose a different language, Spanish, French, that is totally up to you. You can, as well as there are a lot of other languages. So if you're learning other languages as well, go ahead and switch that to the language of your liking, so that way you can actually have it read it to you in that language. All right, well, with that, I'm going to simply choose Import Data. This is pretty simple. All right, and copy and paste your data, and we're going to paste that right into here. So I'm going to go back and open my Word document, and I'm going to highlight from bond all the way down to unemployment rate, and I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go back to the internet here, and I'm going to right click right in there, and I'm going to paste. And with that said, you can kind of see now what your term and definition will look like here. It looks good. Everything looks right. If you notice that something does not look right here, where you don't have the term and the right definition, something is just off, please let me know. We're going to choose Import. With that done, there are our words. What you can do now is you can scroll down to the bottom here and choose Save. And now you have your term and your definition. I recommend to spend some time looking through your flashcards. And what I like to do is start with the actual definition. Now, if yours is starting with the term, probably I would suggest to switch the definition, so then you can read through the definition, and then you can click to flip. And then you can see the actual term that definition is. You can flip that a few times if you want to spend some time on that particular word, and then go to your different words. All right, you can then shuffle them up a little bit, so that way they're not always in the same order. That always helps. You can actually then go to all these different learn or spellers or tests, scatter, erase. You can play around with all of these. But let's go ahead and submit this. So with that, what I'm going to actually do is go back to my Quizlet, and I'm going to choose my economic activity, so that way I'm just kind of in the terms itself here. I'm not in flashcards or learn or anything. And I'm going to choose Share. Sorry about that bell, you guys. I apologize for that. Now with that share, I'm going to go ahead and highlight this short URL, and I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go back to my vocabulary unit here in Moodle, and I'm going to go to the Dropbox, and I'm going to choose Add Submission. And here what you want to do is you want to choose a link here. You want to choose link. We're going to click on that, and we're going to enter the URL. We're going to paste that right in there. And you want to make sure that you choose Open in a New Window. That is vital for you and my success. And choose Create Link, and there it is. Choose Save Changes, and what you want to do now is make sure that that does open in a new tab. So you're going to look up here. When I click on this, does it open in a new tab? Yes, it does. Wonderful. Things are looking good. You guys have your vocabulary submitted. So once again, I want you guys to now take some time to go through these terms, so that way when we're working through the unit, you guys have an idea of what these terms you have a basis of what these terms are. All right, thank you very much.